Mabuhay! This is Alexi Fernandez from Davao City. Good evening, everyone. Shout out to Jose Carlo, who is working at the Central 911 Main Office Davao Branch. Today is his birthday. Happy birthday, bro. Happy 35th year. 35 years old ka na. So, I wish you more happiness, joy, love, and success. I hope that God will continue to send you tremendous blessings in your journey. I hope that God will always continue to bless you more, to protect you, to give you the safety and security, to give you wisdom, provisions in your life, in your daily endeavor. God bless you always, bro. Enjoy your night, enjoy your day with your friends at the Central 911 or with your family as well. This is Alexi from Davao City. God bless you always.